routing in this topology. The IP addresses are pre-configured on the interfaces. We can verify them by show IP interface brief command. Similarly, we can do it on router 2 and as well as on router 3. Now let us see the routing table of router 1 by show IP route command. It doesn't contain the network of 23.0.0.0 in it, and the gateway of last resort is not set. So now I will perform default routing. So the command for default routing is IP route, then the network 0.0.0.0, it means any network, 0.0.0.0, it means any subnet, and the next hop address will be 12.0.0.2 and enter. Now my default route is configured on router 1. Now moving to router 3, IP route 0.0.0.0, 0.0.0.0, then 23.0.0.2 and exit. Now my default route is configured on both the routers, router 1 as well as on router 3. Now let us see the routing table for router 3. Now it is showing that the gateway of last resort is 23.0.0.2 to the network 0.0.0.0. It means that a gateway of last resort is a route used by the router when no other known route exists to transmit the packet. And it is also showing us a default route which is having an address of 0.0.0.0 with an AD value of 1 via 23.0.0.2. Now if I ping router 1 from router 3 12.0.0.1, now it is replying, which shows that since the routing table of router 3 is not having the route of 12.0.0.0 in its routing table, then also it is giving reply to router 1. So now let's see again the routing table of router 3. See, it's not having any route of 12.0.0.0 in its routing table, but then also still it can get reply from router 1. It means that if the destination address is not in the routing table of router, then also the packet goes to the default route. And we will get the reply. So this is how we configure default routing. Thank you.